the one and only Sarge's Toys. Woo-wee. Look at this thing. Oh my gosh. What's up, dude? This thing is a beast, dude.
Appreciate it.
It's one thing to see it in photos, and then to actually see it in person. It's massive. The stuff done to it, it's ridiculous. I love it. We're ready for like Zombieland, aren't we?
Well, at least the weather is good today.
Oh man, couldn't be better, man. Looking forward to it. Definitely. All right, everyone. So we are headed over to the trail. We got our day passes. Headed here with Sarge's Toys. He has one of the coolest rigs. I mean, this thing is just, man, you can go fight a war in this thing and survive. I love it. Yep, headed to the trails. Follow along, guys. We're gonna have a blast. So I think we're gonna try to get to an opening here where we can put the drone up in the air and capture some cinematic footage of this Jeep. Having a blast out here. UP, Sarge's Toys, great guy. And this is just a blast out here. I'm glad he made the trip to meet me here in Virginia. And we're doing this, so let's go. All right, so I was talking to UP on the radio, and I think we're gonna try to find a mud hole. Because I mean, what would it be if we went off-roading and I didn't find a mud hole? I mean, is it even off-roading at that point? It's me. We gotta get this thing really muddy, so we're gonna try to find a more open area spot. He said there's some spots coming up here that are pretty muddy, pretty watery. So yeah, we'll see if we can send it. So I travel the country in this Jeep. We go on trails all over the place, collabing with people, doing things. All right, what's going on, everyone? So we stopped. We had this little stairway here, came down, got the Jeeps parked, and we're just looking at these mountains here, hanging out with my man UP.
Hey.
This shirt, you got to check this shirt out. Hold on, check this out. Hold on. Oop, let me not fall here. It's an anti-off-road club.
Right?
Dude, we should throw a show with them and the Mall Crawlers Incorporated or something. I don't know, man. I'm in. But yeah, we're having a blast out here today, guys. Forgot this is YouTube. Having a blast out here today, guys. Pretty cool little Jeep badge trail. So hanging out. Gonna finish it up. Go grab some food. Call it a day.
Subscribe, follow.
Sarge's Toys. Subscribe today.
Right.
All right, everyone. So we just wrapped up. The trails just came off. And we stopped here for some Asian food. My man treated me. It was good. Sarge's Toys, check that Jeep out. We're out today, guys. Had a blast. Till the next time.
See you next time.